What's up, guys, and welcome back to Late Night. What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing a mukbang for Late Night Eats. So yeah, I'm going to do a junior chicken. So let's see how fast I can do it. Actually,
you don't have to do speed, just talk to them.
So, it's really good. There's a lot of protein.
Show them all the stuff you're eating.
Oh, a lot of protein.
Show them the poutine properly.
As you can see, a nice looking poutine.
Fillets. Juicy.
Got fries, poutine, burgers, all stuff you need.
Comment their McDonald's order down below. Tell them.
I wish I can do that for you guys, but my comments are locked and disabled. But hopefully in the next couple of videos, I'll turn them on so you guys can actually talk. Okay. Let's get back to the main thing, the burger. Okay. So honestly, it's like a standard burger. You know, like a standard burger, you know, like it's juicy, it's got nice sauce, it's a standard chicken burger, and it has lettuce, and it's really juicy and it's really good. It has mayonnaise. The ingredients I got is mayonnaise, chicken, bread, and lettuce. That's good. That's really good. That is amazing. And more fries, poutine. This one's pretty good, man. Nice. Nothing can beat that. That's a lot of gravy. A lot of tasty cheese curds. It's not a poutine without the cheese curds. This one's pretty good. This one's pretty good. No, let's
Show
go.
them the fork.
Pork.
No, with
Like a bite.
like a bite, yeah.
Okay, here's making me bite.
I'll try this.
Okay. Try to go with the hand. Two.
You wanna try this? Tell them what you're doing.
Fish and fillet. the fillet. Go. Alright, back to the chicken burger. Oh, I'm so full. Not anymore. Oh yeah.
No, finish this.
Sorry for the background noise though. So good. Last couple of bites. Okay, you know what? That's nice.
No fries?
The end of the video. So for my views. That's fun. Crusher out.